Naka-ult.
Ported.
Last player standing.
Rest.
Better.
Yeah, isa lang yun.
Third was
One enemy remaining.
Damn.
Spike down B.
Third was C.
Barrier here.
Oh, nag-guide siya.
Kanina pa yun.
30 seconds left.
Halika dito. Sinabi ko lang, huwag. Ikaw bahala.
Pwede yan. Ay, boy.
10 seconds left.
Oh, alam mo
Baka
na.
nasa likod ng wall.
Baka
Sa likod ng wall yan.
Baka sinave yung up. Sinave yung up.
Clutch.
Sa likod ng wall yan.
I am not just your healer.
Bakit ano yung up ko? Bakit?
Pati ka pa